Hello, how is everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm gonna go get my nails done right now. They actually could have lasted another week, but I'm going to Jersey tomorrow and I'm gonna be there for a little while, so I just want to get them done before I head out, and I'm so over this color. Nails are done. I decided to go with a neutral color, and now we are back at DSW. These shoes that I'm wearing right now, I like them so much that I'm gonna see if they have them in black. I like these little nude ones. These are the ones that I own. I can't find them in black, but I really like these. I found similar ones in black. I don't know what to do. I didn't end up getting either of the shoes. I found some black ones and some nude ones that were really pretty, but I couldn't decide, so I'm just gonna sleep on it, and I might just go to DSW in Jersey because I really can't decide, but I want them both. Alright guys, I am interrupting your regularly scheduled vlog to bring you a mini living room tour. Alright, so I have not finished fully decorating this apartment. I'm really taking my time because I remember the first time I moved out on my own, I rushed the entire process and I purchased everything right away. But this time around, I really want to take my time because I want to get pieces that I really love and that are worth it and are going to be long lasting. So I've just been really taking my time, and for the most part, I've only focused on the living room and my filming room because I needed to get straight to work. And the place where we spend most of our time for the most part is the living room. Today I'm going to share with you guys what we have so far for our living room, and as we get to decorating more and buy more pieces, I will share that with you guys. But for now, I'll let you guys know what's in my living room, where I got it, and I will list every single piece in the bottom bar. You know what, I'll start off with the sectional because that's the largest piece in the living room. The sectional is from Bob's, and I forget the name, but again, I'll list it below for you guys. It's such a comfortable sectional. The living room is really big, it's super spacious, and I wanted to make sure that I got a super comfortable sectional because before we only had like a little two-seater because that's all that fit, and we were always like struggling to both sit on the sofa. So I was so excited to be able to get a sectional. I wanted a neutral color. I forget what this color is technically in the store, but to me, it kind of switches color. Like sometimes it looks really gray, sometimes it like has hints of brown. I hated all of the pillows that came with it. I only kept 3 of them. The other ones could not deal with them. The sectional also has a pull-out couch, which is a queen size. And because I'm so far from home, I wanted to be able to make sure that my friends and family could come and stay with me and be comfortable. If anybody comes to visit me, they're probably gonna have to stay because it's such a long ride. So yeah, I made sure to make my guests very comfortable. So on the side of the sectional, I'm gonna show you guys the little, what is that called? A little side table that we have. My mom actually gifted that for me. We found it at Home Goods. And when it comes to Home Goods, you kind of, if you see something you like, you have to grab it because chances are it might not be there again, or sometimes they only have one piece of something. But I really loved that little side table. I wanted my living room to feel very cozy, chic. I wanted it to be clean and bright, and pretty much a whole white marble touches of gold thing started to happen. So the side table, unfortunately, I won't be able to link unless I find something similar for you because at Home Goods, it's pretty much whatever you find, you have to grab. So that is where I got my side table from. The table in the middle of my living room is from Amazon. I will link that for you guys. It ended up turning out to be really great quality. I didn't know what to expect because I had never purchased furniture from Amazon, but I really like how that turned out. Everything on my coffee table is from Target. I just saw cute little pieces at Target. The coasters are my favorite thing. They're also from Target and they came in a set of 4. So my TV we purchased from Best Buy, and the TV was all crisp. It's like the one thing where I was like, get whatever you want, I don't really care. So he picked the TV out. It's a really great TV, I love it. The TV console is from IKEA and it's called the Besta. I'll try to link it to the best of my ability, but basically when it comes to the Besta, you can kind of customize how you want your pieces to look. So we pretty much picked like how we wanted it to look, how we wanted the tabletop to look, which doors we wanted to have, like what features we wanted it to have. We customized that. So I don't know how I will be able to link it, but I will try my best. But yeah, it's from IKEA and it's amazing. It fits into our like home vibe perfectly. The lamp is also from IKEA, which I love so much, our floor lamp. It's a pretty simplistic lamp. Our curtains are also from IKEA. Like the curtain rod and the 2 curtains, which are gray and white, everything was from IKEA. This little blanket that I always have on my couch is the best blanket ever. This is from Pottery Barn. And that's pretty much it. That's basically what I have in my living room right now. I like it to look clean and clutter-free. And as we continue to decorate and fix our bedroom and the kitchen, I will keep you guys posted. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the little mini living room tour. What I like to do is buy the bigger pieces first and then I work around that. Like I don't buy like little decorative things because I don't know how it's gonna fit in the bigger picture when I get like my bigger pieces. The next thing I have my eye on is a dining table for the kitchen. I think I'm gonna get that really soon. Like after this next trip to Jersey, I think when I come back I'm gonna order that dining table because I really like it. I hope they still have it in stock. And then I'm just gonna keep working on my filming room. And the back room of the living room, like where that other sofa is, we still have that other sofa. I don't know what we're doing. I really want to donate it. I've been trying to find a place to donate it to. And yeah, we still have to figure out what we want to do in that back section. I think on one little corner we do want to put a little desk because Chris has to do desk work sometimes. And I think I want to put my desktop there. And so yeah, then I want to head over to the kitchen and work on that next project. But I've been really busy with work. Like, thank God I've been really busy with work, so I just haven't really had time to focus on the decorating part, but slowly but surely we are getting there. And now that I'm done with all of my work for the day, kind of, I'm gonna take this makeup off and I'm gonna head over to get a spray tan. Honestly, I just want to look, I'm gonna see my grandma tomorrow and I want to look really nice because I don't know, like, I think it's a Spanish thing or it's like just a Dominican thing. I think it's like all Spanish people thing. Like, we just like to look our best. Like, we like to put our best foot forward, especially when we haven't seen family in a long time. Like, we want them to think like, oh, like she's still looking good, like she's still cute. I'm gonna go to spray tan so that when I see her, I look nice and skinny and tan and cute. Or I'm gonna try anyways. We're home in Jersey. And no one's here. No one's here, so I'm leaving. I never have coffee more than once, but today, I don't know if it was that long drive because I drove from Maryland today and I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna order some coffee from Starbucks so that I could just, I thought I knew that person. I'm gonna order some coffee so that I can just run in and pick it up. Here, my grandma and my aunt are here from DR. And I have not seen them. I've been home for like 2 hours and no one's bothered to come home. I don't know, I thought everyone was just gonna be sitting around waiting for me to come home, excited to see me, but no. Got my coffee. I feel kind of sleepy. I didn't really get much sleep last night. Do you ever just people watch? I do that sometimes. Okay, I guess I'll go home now. See if people have freed up their time for me. And no hay foto, miren. I'm with my grandma. No hay foto, video. ¿Puede hablar? My aunt too. Tía, un video. Love my aunt. Hello, people. Ven, Mom. Ven. Mami, ¿qué te hace? I took my grandma and my aunt to, we just went to have drinks. And I'm home now. I'm getting ready for bed. It's a lit Saturday. Well, it was half lit. I drove here today, so I'm like so exhausted. That drive really wears me out, but I'm gonna go to sleep and I'm also gonna end the vlog here. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.